Namaskar. Everyone wants clean and radiant skin, and it is possible. Only we should know how to manage with skin, because there are three types of skins. One is very oily skin, one is very dry and flaky skin, and third is normal skin. Now, when you are in a very cold climate, skin becomes dry, and in hot climate, you will find skin looking very oily. You are sweating, and so more oil on skin. So all that is a natural phenomenon, but we should know how to handle these things, because skin definitely gets affected because of the weather, climate, but once we attend to it, it would be very perfect. It would look beautiful always in all the weather. Let's understand the causes for dry skin. First, poor nutrition. If nutrition is not correct, if your body doesn't have natural oil, then skin also is going to become dry. Second, genetic, hereditary. You are born with that type of a skin, but it can be handled. Third, extreme temperature, absolute heat outside, absolute cold outside, extreme temperature creates problem. And fourth, the pores of our skin. When these pores, because skin has lots of pores through which secretion takes place, where even dead body is thrown out. When these pores get clogged, because dead cells, they remain on the pore, they don't come out because we are not taking bath properly, and so that also creates dry skin. According to Ayurveda, they say that when Vata is too much, then skin gets dry. The causes for oily skin, one is excess open pores in our body where the sebum is secreted. Sebum is natural oil which is secreted from our skin, and so oiliness and stickiness is felt. So, and then because of that even acnes are there. So that all causes oily skin. Well, so now what are we supposed to do? Practice yoga. By following yoga path, what happens? All our three doshas, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha, they all come into balance. And so naturally that excess Vata, because of which the problem is there, is taken care of. With yoga, toxins are released very easily, managed very easily. Circulation is very perfect. So when all this happens, our skin, which is sometimes oily and sometimes dry, that also neutralizes and skin remains healthy. Well, so I would recommend at least two asanas. One is Sarvangasana, head low pose, and this Sarvangasana really helps releasing tension from all the facial muscles. It helps in good circulation and helps the skin of your face in any case. Second posture is Halasana, and that is again a very good circulation on face region. That whole angle really helps in keeping your body's spine totally flexible, as well as the circulation on face and the abdominal compression. So the digestion also is fine, absorption, assimilation is fine, and so these two postures should be done regularly. This technique called Jalaneti really helps person cleansing from inside, also really improves the circulation on the face region. Jalaneti should be practiced regularly because that is a fantastic technique to cope up with the external stress and tension, external infection and pollution. Second thing which we should do as a pranayam is Shitali and Sitkari. Both these pranayams, they bring little coolness into our system. The word itself is Sitali, Sitkari, cooling into our system, and when our system gets cooled, the Vata dosha of our body is handled very well. In Ayurveda, they mention that we should do what is called as Abhyanga Snan. We remember that even for a baby, we give massage of oil, and then baby is kept in sun for some time, and then baby is given bath, and children also pick up their health. So this Abhyanga is nothing else but using oil like coconut oil, like sesame seed oil, almond oil, it could be even castor oil. These are all very healthy oils. We should use any of these oils. Just see that you warm this oil little bit and use this warm oil on your entire body. Massage your body with your own self, your hands, your face, your neck, back, front, everywhere you massage this oil and stay for some time, say half an hour to 1 hour, and then take your bath. So this is the best way to handle dry skin. Well, if you find that your skin is still very dry and flaky, then after this Abhyanga bath, again before wiping your body, take little oil and rub that on your arms and legs. That would help overcoming this dryness. This would be much better than any body lotions because this is a natural oil. I would recommend a very good pack, and that is made up of aloe vera, sandalwood and honey. These three things. So mix all these three things, remove fresh aloe vera gel and put little honey in that and mix little sandalwood powder. Make a paste, apply that on your face and neck, keep it for 15-20 minutes and wash it out with warm water. Now such pack you may apply that on your skin where you massage it for some time, keep it for some time, once or twice in a week. I would recommend another pack that is a combination of almond, oat, honey and yogurt. These 4 ingredients. So soak 5-6 almonds in water overnight, remove the skin and put it in mixer, make the paste and then apply this on your face, massage it little bit and keep it for 15-20 minutes and wash it out with warm water. Now this could be done every 4 days or 5 days, and that also is a very good pack. You see, almond is having a very good property to see that it helps in tightening up your skin. Yogurt also tightens your skin and it helps in making your skin more radiant, whitening quality it has. Well, for oily skin, this oily skin to handle is a little tough thing because somehow the moment you sweat and where you live, accordingly the oil also is secreted in our body, and so to take care we have to be little bit extra caring. So try and see that you keep tea tree oil in your house. Tea tree oil is available and that you can keep in the house, and this tea tree oil is antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. So it really helps even in reducing the acne. So this oil, mix it with clay, and that is multani matti, and this mixture when you mix it with even rose water, so make this nice paste, multani matti, rose water and few drops of tea tree oil. This becomes a very good paste, and then apply that on your face and neck and just see that you keep it for some time. Use this every 3rd day on your face, and that would really help managing your oily skin, because this multani matti helps in drying the skin and helps in removing and reducing acne also. So try and have this pack, and it's a very simple, you will be able to help yourself. Well, a very common household treatment is chane ka atta, besan and dahi, yogurt. Now these things are just available in our kitchen, and just see that whenever and as and when you feel too oily around, you should take little besan and put little dahi, make a paste and apply that on your face, keep it for 10 minutes and wash it out. Now this really helps in that excessive secretion of sebum, that oil of our body, and yogurt always is a good moisturizer, good tightener, and this combination would really help you to maintain excessive oil. This whole combination even brightens your skin tone. Well, there is one more very good face treatment, and that is neem and turmeric. This both combination of all these both things are antibacterial, antifungal. It would remove the infection from your skin, so naturally even acne are taken care of, and it really would give a very healthy flowing skin. This paste is made like this, that take few leaves of neem, make a paste out of it, put little turmeric over there and make a paste nicely. If it is too thick, put little water and make it paste, and then apply that on your face. Keep it for 15-20 minutes. This itself is very good. Sometimes on your skin also, if you feel your whole body needs little antifungal treatment, then you should try and boil neem leaves in water and use that water for your bath. That itself also would help you. When prickly heats come, then you really need this neem. So try and use that and take care of your skin. We all need our skin which is acne free and blemish free, and that's why this smooth skin can come with the help of neem and haldi. So try, use them as and when required, and you will be benefited. Well, for a healthy skin, we should be keeping ourselves well hydrated. So internally also we should have a good hydration. So see that you drink better water, eat food which is watery, and so comes the place of fruits as well as vegetables like cucumber and such things. Try and see that you apply water on your body and leave it as it is to dry, or just pat it, but don't rub your skin because that irritates your skin. So very often you could just splash water on your face and just dab it, and don't wipe it strongly. So this itself will keep your skin very healthy. Food like cucumber, watermelon, different salads, radishes, all these things are required. So salads, fruits, vegetables, this is the main food which we should have, and that means a sattvic food that would help keeping your skin healthy. Always avoid all these packeted foods, fried foods, because that would definitely not be good for skin. Well, all of you should know that wherever there is a problem, solution is there itself. So when such small problems come, you should know how to manage it, and it will disappear. It's a temporary management, temporary phenomenon. So try and see that you have a healthy routines, you have a healthy food habits, and the problem would be taken care of. So don't let the problem go to your heart or your head. Just enjoy life, keep a smile, and that is most beautiful thing than anything else. Well, you will be surprised to see that key to so many problems lies around you in nature, in our culture. So just be joyful and happy. Namaskar.